Hey there, I want to talk about what I'm making for dinner tonight. I only have made fitness videos, but I love talking about food because food is our fuel, how we feel every day, how you wake up in the morning. Tonight, I'm using my air fryer for my veggies. I love my air fryer for my veggies. It gets them crisp and delish. My veggies of choice tonight are 2 yellow squash and a red onion. What do I do with that? I put some olive oil cooking spray on it and some salt and pepper, and this is not a commercial for Trader Joe's, but I did get everything at Trader Joe's. I cook it for about 20 minutes on 400, and about halfway through, I take it out and I shake it up, make sure everything gets browned. Veggies are amazing in your air fryer. Now it's really hot where I live. I don't want to turn my oven on. I already had a great big salad for lunch. This is a quick and easy way to make your veg. And what else am I having with that? More stuff from Trader Joe's. Turkey, and I like to put in their taco seasoning mix and peach salsa. In fact, if you've never used it, it is so good. Oh my gosh, Trader Joe's taco seasoning mix at bomb.com. That is what I'm having. I always try to make my meals veg heavy. Veg have tons of fiber and keep me full for a long time. I do not want to be hungry in an hour walking around thinking, okay, what else? I want to be full and be done for the night. I sleep best when I have dinner early and then don't eat again until the next day. I want to help you and I want to educate you on healthy meals you can make that are still super yummy and satisfying as well. Hope you have a great night.